This ain't chicken with soy sauce, this is chicken skin. Who the fuck eats chicken skin on its own? I don't understand. I'm honestly baffled. And I'm so hungry.
Try it.
I did try it. It's chicken skin. Guys, I finally found some green tea. I was actually gonna pack my box of green tea, right? But then I was like, you're going to Japan, there's gonna be plenty. But all I've been seeing so far is cold green tea. And behold, a vending machine with hot green tea. So I am very excited. Now, how do we work it? How do we work it? 140. I am very excited. How does it work? I have to take a snapshot. Is it done? I don't know. No. Oh, okay. There's the time on this. Bitch! That's my green tea from a vending machine. Oh, it's very hot. Shit, babe, it's very hot. Oh my god.
Ordered a hot drink.
Oh my god. Oh, okay. There's the time on this. Bitch! That's my green tea. Go follow me on Instagram, guys. Sophiso7. Oh, is it done? Very hot.
Alright,
smell it.
Catch the train.
Yeah, let's go catch the train.
Bitch, that's my green tea from a vending.
Alright, so that almost spilled. Alright, fine. So we got our green tea. We made it just in the nick of time for our train. Moment of truth. Look at it though. Can you guys see?
That's green.
It's very green. Look at it.
Smells funny.
Alright. I'm gonna regret not bringing my own nana.
That's right. Legit green tea, innit?
It's very hot. I have to try it.
It's from a vending machine, so
Try it.
I'm alright, I think I'm great.
No, you're more experimental. Try that.
What's this?
Either this isn't green tea or what we have in the UK isn't green tea. Something ain't right.
No, that's like really, really sweet. Maybe it's a type of green tea. It might have said sweetness or something. We just didn't read it.
I knew it was gonna be dodge because look how thick it is.
It is just
Oh, yeah, okay, I'm just gonna leave this over here.
That is not a good idea.
I'm gonna eat it. Well, I don't know where else to throw it.
You're lucky. You might have to stand right there.
I don't know if there is one. What I do?
I bet she did to sit on the floor. I bet you she did to sit on the floor. I knew it.
I couldn't leave it here. What if I get arrested? What if I get arrested? If you went to Singapore, you really could get arrested for something like that. Why is the train not moving?
Relax.
Guys, I literally just dashed out and I left it by the chair because there's no bins outside. There's no bins in here. That was foul. Anyway, I'm gonna join Phil and have breakfast because I also got a chicken skewer and I got Coke, thank God. So yeah, I'm gonna go have breakfast. And where are we going? I didn't even say hi. Hi. Hi, welcome back to my vlog. I'm gonna come back when we're in Ginza. Yeah, that's the first stop. Yeah, we're going to Ginza. I'll come back once we're there. We're looking around. In the meanwhile, I'm gonna go eat. Bye, guys. What the fuck? Guys, look very, very closely. Look very closely. Can you see this? It's just chicken skin. And you knew and you didn't say shit. What do you mean? Guys, you saw me ordering it. This guy saw me ordering it and you didn't say anything. amazing.
And I thought,
And so I just saw this and I thought, oh, okay, this is chicken with soy sauce. Let me grab that. This ain't chicken with soy sauce. This is chicken skin. Who the fuck eats chicken skin on its own? I don't understand. I'm honestly baffled. And I'm so hungry.
Try it.
I did try it. It's chicken skin.
You might like it.
Do you want it?
No thanks. I peel off the skin on my chicken when I eat anyway.
Most people do.
There you go.
But yeah, I just thought I'd come back and let you guys know that there are people who eat chicken skin on its own. Yeah.
Is that your Gucci dance? What? Do it again, sorry, I missed your feet. I missed your feet.
Oh, if I had my Gucci belt, like I would like Gucci. I know these people.
Check out the crepe check. What do you say about them crepes?
Can't afford these.
Okay.
£30 from H&M.
Oh god. Flex on them.
This? Nah, I can't afford this.
Hey guys, luckily I managed to bring an umbrella. So
You know I'm editing this shit, right? And I'm editing your lies out.
so
Anyway.
we're going to
We are at, babe, I can't see. What station? Check out.
Tsukiji
Tsukiji station.
Yeah, okay.
That's what you just said. Anyway, we're here now and we don't know where to go. We've got
don't know.
4 options.
Well, that one says the temple, which is where the open market is. Well, I don't know, they might be closing up because of the rain.
Anyway, yeah, we're gonna go explore Ginza and Phil really wants to check out this fish market. And hopefully it's still open, but anyway, you guys are gonna join me and see what's happening. Bye. Guys, I think we missed it. I think people are packing up, which is really weird because now is when people are off work. But yeah, I think people are packing up. Huh? Is it here? Down there looks like those people, no?
It's this whole block of things.
Oh. I think we're gonna have to start waking up early.
Hopefully.
Anyway guys, as you've just seen, we came way too late and everyone's packing up. Yeah, everyone's packing up, so we missed it. Are you upset? It's okay. We're
I
gonna.
woke up early and then
Did you?
you had to get your beauty sleep in it, so it's actually fully closed. Look at this.
No, it's closed, guys.
There would have been here fresh fish in the thingies, fridges. Must be popping at night time.
At
In
night
daytime, sorry.
It is daytime. They just closed too early.
Too
But
early. Okay.
No, okay, now we know. Now we know. So on Friday, we're gonna come early and have lunch here.
Should we go to the shrine then, or the temple, or at least see something? Or do you want to go into Deep Ginza? Is there like places open?
I don't know. Well, yeah, I'm sure everything else is
As in,
open.
like,
Just
the shop?
this place is closed. But yeah, no, let's go proper Ginza because we could spend all day at the temple. So let's go like deep Ginza. But yeah, guys, let that be a lesson for you. If you want to go to the fish market, don't come around 3 p.m. Come earlier. Otherwise, you're gonna miss it. But hopefully, we'll catch it. And if we do, I might put those clips in this video. Probably, yeah. So don't be surprised if you see me in a different outfit with different lighting. Whatever. You'll see when I come back. Okay, you'll see when I come back. Bye. Guys, so we finally made it to the fish market. Who knew that there were pink strawberries? I would have thought they just went done. No. 100 yen is £1. Y'all are telling me, yeah, it's a conservative thing. Y'all are telling me these are almost £8 for a stick with 4 strawberries. I told you, you can't afford to be poor in Japan. This looks like the place to be. In the meanwhile, for those following my drama, I still haven't found a bin. Babe, this looks like the place to be.
Yeah, we came
Sushi Zanmai. Well, should we join a queue?
Why should we join the queue?
Do you not want to eat?
I want to walk you first.
Oh, look how full it is. What do we have? What do we have? Wait, did I see feet? Oh, ew.
ที่ว่ามันตัวจริงแล้วเขามาไอ้นี่ไว้ตอนรอบป้า
Dude, my goodness, you shit. These cherries?
เชื่อดิ
Huh. Try Japanese cherries.
いらっしゃいませいかがですか
Okay, Japanese cherries are very, very expensive.
Those are cherries too, just big ones.
Those are not cherries. Shut up. Okay, no. I want to try, but not for that much. Wait, babe, 6,500 is how much? So it's about 50 quid. 50 pounds. 50 British pounds for a box of cherries. I've heard it all now.
到席開きましたよ
Do you guys have seen how full and busy it is?
はいどうぞいかがですかウェルカムプリーズ
はい、どうですか、海鮮丼。
Doesn't seem very safe, but hey ho. I decided to queue up for this snow crab since everybody is having it. I was like, must be good, right? Must be good. Because I'm hungry and Phil won't let us sit down and eat. So here we are. Oh la la. I'm hungry now.
蟹黄价格好，基本的
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, sorry.
It's fine, thank you. He kept apologizing to you.
Yeah, well, we were waiting in the queue before. You know, some people are still trying to sneak on that side.
We met some lady was behind us and she goes, no, I waited for 10 minutes. I'm not in the queue. And I was like, sis, we waited for longer than 10 minutes. But I didn't want to say anything.
Is that
and
the one
start.
with the boyfriends? The
I don't
guy,
know. I don't know. Maybe.
Yeah, I see them. They're both trying to sneak in, basically.
No, they asked them, the people in front,
And
let them go in.
Show them the food.
Let's hope it's good. Should have got a napkin.
Take a bite.
I've still got gum. And then he's put this away. All right. My poor bag. Is the lighting even good? Oh, you can smell the butter.
What do you think?
Not worth the queue. To be fair, basically, I can see why people would queue up for it. I'm just a very fussy eater. And I just wanted to try something new. Tried it.
I see you taking very small bites.
Because I'm not a fan.
Yeah.
Do you want it? basically want to gossip. It's not about showing you my prawn, because you guys all know what prawns look like. So the lady we bought this prawn from, oh, let me not expose her. This lady, one of the market store ladies, she saw me throwing away my crab. It was like almost like cooked. Yeah, me and Phil didn't like it basically, so we only had like a bite each, and she saw me throwing it away, and she was like, yeah, it's not good, it's not good. Everybody that queues up there are not Japanese, because Japanese know that that's not real crab. That's just crab mixed with a whole bunch of shit in it, so it doesn't taste good. And she ain't lying, it doesn't taste good. I thought it was just me being picky, but she was like, yeah, that's not a real crab. So yeah, so she was like, yeah, that's not real crab. I mean, I can't tell people not to buy, but usually people buy once. There's a very long queue, which there was, and people buy once and they never come back. Yeah, I'm saving you guys the time. You guys saw that stall. Don't bother going. That shit nasty. If you walk around, you'll see some real crabs. Okay, let me go feast, and I'll see you guys later. So we ended up stopping at this sushi place, which is similar to where we went before. But the dope thing is here, they give you free green tea. So it comes in this little box thingy-majiggy, and then there's hot water right here that you spill out, and you get green tea. But yeah, I'm gonna enjoy this. If we've got time, I'm gonna go around and try and get some green tea for Kuzai, because I told her about the one that I bought for myself, and she wants some. And then we're gonna go home and take a nap. But yeah, see you guys soon.